Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to step up your 3D printing game in 2024, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the top 5 best 3D printers for 2024, showcasing the latest models that are making waves in the 3D printing world. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Creality Ender V3K E3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3 V3K E3D printer is designed for both enthusiasts and professionals looking to push the boundaries of 3D printing. With a maximum printing speed of 500 mm per second and an acceleration of 8,000 mm per square second, this printer is one of the fastest on the market. One of the key features of the Ender 3 V3KE is its Sprite Direct Extruder. This extruder, with a 60-watt ceramic heater, bimetal heat break, and copper nozzle, allows for smooth feeding of a variety of filaments, including PLA-PTG, ABS-TP, U, and ASA. This direct extruder is proven to be reliable, with over 500,000 units shipped worldwide. You can count on it for consistent, high-quality prints every time. The printer also features a stiff steel linear rail on the X-axis that ensures smooth, accurate, and stable motion. With ball bearings in the carriage slide, the printer delivers exceptional performance, even after long-term use. The rigid dual Z-axis lead screws significantly reduce any Z-wobble, and the Y-axis features two 8mm linear shafts made from strong, wear-resistant steel. The Creality Ender 3 V3KE comes with smart algorithms that minimize vibrations, reducing ringing or ghosting and improving overall print quality. The printer optimizes the feeding flow, which reduces blobs and oozes for a cleaner result. Additionally, each side of the print head is equipped with model cooling fans that help cool the printed model quickly and evenly, ensuring excellent print quality every time. Leveling the print bed can be one of the most tedious parts of 3D printing, but with the CR Touch auto-leveling system, the Ender 3 V3KE makes this process effortless. The system performs multi-point detection on the printing platform, recording the height of each detection point with high precision to ensure a perfect first layer. This feature is especially helpful for beginners who might struggle with manual leveling. Number 4. FYSETC R1 Pro 3D Printer. The FYSETC R1 Pro 3D printer is a Corexy 3D printer that comes as an upgraded kit with the Catalyst Kit version 2.0 and the M36 motherboard, offering superior performance and functionality. One of the standout features of this machine is its fully enclosed box design, which ensures that it can handle high-temperature filaments such as ABS and polycarbonate with ease. The small and exquisite design features a custom profile frame with high-precision anodized finishing, making this printer both durable and visually appealing. The FYSETC R1 Pro has several key improvements that set it apart from other 3D printers. The top cover is raised to 100 mm, which increases the headspace and gives you more room for larger prints. Additionally, the main board and toolboard have been upgraded to the Catalyst Kit version 2.0 and the M36 motherboard, adding more functionality and enhancing performance. For better lighting inside the print box, the nozzle is equipped with LED lights, ensuring you can clearly see your print job even in low light conditions. The linear rail is now made of lightly preloaded Z1 stainless steel, which has smaller slider clearance and improved precision, ensuring smoother and more accurate movements. The FYSETC R1 Pro also comes with several upgrades to improve the extrusion and printing speed. The extrusion head has been upgraded to the Swordfish extrusion head, which offers higher extrusion flow, allowing for faster prints without sacrificing quality. The addition of Sherpa integrated nano-hardened steel gears provides better concentricity, higher precision, and increased wear resistance, ensuring the longevity of the machine. Furthermore, a 2.5 diameter Teflon tube has been added to reduce feeding resistance, allowing for smoother filament feeding and more consistent prints. The Z-axis motor has been upgraded to provide increased current and torque, improving the printer's stability and accuracy. Number 3. Zonestar Z9 V5 Pro 3D Printer. The Zonestar Z9 V5 Pro is an advanced fused deposition modeling 3D printer featuring a 4-extruder system and a 4-in-1 out hot end. This unique design allows you to print in single color, dual color, or even 4 colors with ease. Whether you're creating intricate multicolor models or simple single-color objects, this printer gives you complete flexibility. The one-button switching mode makes it easy to convert from monochrome to multicolor printing, enriching your creative options. One of the most impressive aspects of the Zonestar Z9 V5 Pro is its quick self-assembly. The printer comes 70% pre-assembled, and its modular design makes putting the machine together straightforward. Swapping wires in and out of the extruders is easy, saving you time and effort during setup. This is perfect for users who want a hassle-free assembly experience while still benefiting from a high-quality, customizable printer. The Zonestar Z9 V5 Pro is also equipped with a resume from power outage function. If there is a power failure or filament breakage during a print, the printer automatically resumes printing exactly where it left off. This feature eliminates the frustration of having to restart your project. The printer's new user interface features a 4.3-inch TFT LCD screen, making the operation clear and user-friendly. The auto-leveling system ensures that the print bed is perfectly leveled for every print, reducing the need for manual adjustments and ensuring high-quality first layers every time. The printer's metal components, V-groove profiles, and high-quality wheels contribute to a stable and quiet printing experience. Thanks to TMC low-noise motor drivers, the printer operates at a minimal noise level, making it ideal for use in home or office environments. The high-torque extruders and reduction gears provide greater feeding torque, allowing you to print with a variety of filaments and materials without worrying about jams or poor extrusion. The Zonestar Z9 V5 Pro also boasts automatic bed leveling, a flexible magnetic printing platform that makes print removal easier, and filament run-out detection for added convenience. Number 2. FYSETC R1 Pro Corexy 3D Printer. The FYSETC R1 Pro Corexy 3D Printer is an exceptional 3D printer kit that brings together cutting-edge technology and engineering precision. This upgraded version is designed to cater to both seasoned professionals and hobbyists who want top-tier performance. It comes equipped with a range of high-end features, such as the HDMI 5 capacitive touch display, which provides a stronger interface with more functions and an intuitive user experience. It also offers a lightweight stealth burner head that improves cooling and is equipped with NeoPixel RGB double LED lights that let you configure the display for various working statuses. One of the standout upgrades of the FYSETC R1 Pro is its aluminum alloy CNC Voron AP system. This hollow, lightweight design offers high temperature resistance and excellent structural integrity while maintaining a high level of precision. Another major upgrade is the CNC hollow gantry, which has been engineered to be both lightweight and precise. This design also reduces motion inertia, leading to more efficient and smoother printing. Combined with the X-axis stainless steel 440C hollow linear rail, it's clear this printer is built for speed and accuracy. The FYSETC R1 Pro features the Swordfish extrusion head, which is an all-metal high-flow design. The hardened steel nozzle not only improves printing speed, but also adds resistance to high temperatures, extending the life of the extruder. Thanks to the SB-CAN system based on STM32F72, this printer's control board is highly efficient, with rich ports and an accelerometer to ensure precise movements and better wire management. Other enhancements include the CNC Surface hotbed aluminum plate, which is milled to improve flatness, and the nano-coating integrated gear for more uniform extrusion. The 1.5mm hard magnetic sticker with a temperature resistance of up to 100 degrees Celsius makes it easy to handle print bed adhesion. Number 1. Siboor CNC Corexy 3D Printer. The Siboor CNC Corexy 3D Printer is an exceptional upgrade to the Voron Trident kit, designed to meet the needs of both professional and hobbyist 3D printers. One of the standout features is the 800mm per second, a double UD Corexy structure, allowing for ultra-fast printing speeds without sacrificing quality. Thanks to resonant compensation technology, this printer delivers superior print quality and stability, reducing vibrations for a smoother, more accurate result. This printer is packed with top-tier upgrades that enhance both performance and convenience. The ClipperScreen HDMI 5 touchscreen offers a high-resolution user interface that makes operation easier and more intuitive. With the EdiProbe 10S bed leveling system, you can level your print bed at speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second without the need to lift the Z-axis, ensuring faster setup and more accurate prints. Additionally, the Siboor CNSE Corexy 3D printer includes an independent 3-axis system that delivers exceptional layer detail and precision, perfect for detailed and intricate prints. The automatic gantry leveling ensures that the machine is always in perfect alignment, making it even easier to use. Crafted from high-quality parts, this printer features a high-precision print head, a robust cooling system, and high-temperature-resistant materials to ensure top-tier performance. The linear guideways on the XYZ axis provide durability and a quieter operation, while the Mix 6 aluminum plate ensures superior surface flatness and precision. To keep your workspace safe and clean, the Siboor CNSE Corexy 3D printer comes with a fume-pack air filtration system, which effectively filters out harmful gases and particles emitted during printing. The addition of a 12,032 parts fan significantly improves the print quality, especially when dealing with overhangs and fine details. And there you have it, top 5 best 3D printers for 2024. These printers are pushing the boundaries of innovation, speed, and precision. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details on each one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more 3D printing reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!